Let's check. It's opening with Microsoft Edge, so let's change it. In the search bar type default apps. Now open it. Scroll down and click the Choose Default Apps by File Type link. Now search for your desired file type. Now click the icon for the current default program to change it. Now select your desired program. Now click Switch Anyway to change it. It's finished now. Let's check now. It's working fine. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.